How to log in Truist Bank online banking. First of all, open your preferred web browser. Then go to the google.com website. In the search bar, search for Truist Bank. Find the search result from the various options shown below. Click on the official link as shown here. If you are a new online user, click on the Set up Online Banking option. If you are an existing user, type your user ID here. Tick Save User ID for later use. After that, type your password in the password field. Click on Forgot User ID if you don't remember your username. Click on Reset Password if you forgot your password. Finally, if all credentials are correct, click on Sign In. If you need any help, click on Online Security Measures. To switch accounts, click on Sign into another account.